This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do the peanut butter edit on a Fortnite controller. This advanced technique involves quickly editing 3 specific tiles to create an opening or escape. First, ensure your controller settings are optimized for speed and precision. We'll cover recommended binds that allow for fluid transitions between building, editing, and combat. Mastering this edit can significantly enhance your gameplay, offering a competitive edge in fast-paced engagements. Let's dive into the essential setup. For optimal performance, consider using a dedicated edit button, separate from your build or combat controls. Many players find success with L3 or R3 for editing, allowing your thumb to stay on the right stick for aiming. Enable Edit on release in your game settings. This confirms your edit as soon as you release the edit button, saving valuable milliseconds. Also, fine-tune your controller dead zone to minimize stick drift and maximize input accuracy, typically between 5% and 10%. To perform the peanut butter edit, you'll typically be editing a wall. Imagine a 3x3 grid on the wall. You need to select the top left, top middle, and middle left tiles. This creates an L-shaped opening. After selecting these 3 tiles, release your edit button to confirm. Immediately after passing through, quickly reset the wall to protect yourself. This rapid sequence of edit, move, and reset is crucial for effective execution and maintaining cover. Consistent practice is key to mastering this edit. Spend time in creative mode using dedicated edit courses that feature wall edits. Begin by performing the edit slowly, ensuring you hit the correct tiles every time. Once accurate, gradually increase your speed. Integrate the peanut butter edit into your combat routines, practicing it during simulated engagements. Remember, muscle memory develops over time, so regular, focused practice will yield the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.